So good morning guys, it's a day 3 o day 4 na time to work lang punta pero wala tayo trabaho karon. Kapoy na kaya nga na trabaho. Hidayaan lang 480 Kapoy trabaho. Nadlaw pa.
Doesn't matter if they're blue, green, brown, they flash like fire. Colors of the earth, colors of the earth. Take your flag and stick it where you like. I'm reading.
Ano? So yan guys, sinalaro mo ganabuhiin pero ano lang. Mahinta. Relax. Para. Kapoy na. Let's go.